It's a DIY whether you do it. Earlier in the year, I went to Workbench Con, and Oneida Systems was one of the sponsors, and they were kind enough to supply anyone who wanted one who attended Workbench Con a free Dust Deputy 2.5. So this is what I chose. We're going to unbox it. We're going to test it on this floor of dust. So we have a lid. We have the bucket. And we have the hardware and casters. And we're going to get to assembling this. Okay, so it says if anything is wrong with your order or if the Oneida Systems Air product doesn't live up to expectations for whatever reason, contact us. We stand behind our products. That's awesome. All right, instruction manual. Please read the safety practices installation. Okay. So they give you the dimensions. Oh, they even show you how much with the casters and without the casters. That's cool. All right, so the parts. Okay, we got a hose. Assembly instructions. All right. So this is what I need to follow. Okay, here's the hardware I need. All right, so we have our gasket. All right, so now we need to get in here. Ooh, this is heavy duty. Oh yeah. All right, so this is what we're going to attach. So we got our flange, the gasket. All right. Okay. All right, so this is what we're doing. We have the flange and the gasket. And we got the nut and bolt and washer. So we do we got the bolt and the washer here. Right here, goes through this hole. Probably don't need it too tight because of the gasket. Alright, so looks like we got a good seal there. If I need to, I can tighten it down some more. There is a little bit of deformity there because, you know, it's not 100% rigid around the flange there. So I don't know if you can see the small amount of deformity that's occurring, but that's why there's a gasket. Right? And then so this is how it's attached. And then this fits on top of the bucket. Right, so that's the purpose of that. And now we can have the base with the wheels. So, let's see if I can do it without the casters, just to get it set up and see what happens. I just want to see how this behaves. Okay, so this gets attached to the top. Okay, so this part goes to the vacuum. So we'll get this attached to the vacuum now. It's a pretty solid fit. All right, now you know I'm always about the crazy shots. So before we run the vacuum, I'm going to put my GoPro inside this. So I'll disconnect this guy. And then I need a place to attach the GoPro. See if there's something in here that I can attach it to. Because I want it to look at the bottom. Alright, so This might work right here. Okay, now we will loosen this guy up. Because now we wanted to look at the bottom of the vacuum. Okay, so what's that look like? Here we go, there's the bottom of the vacuum. Haha, this might work. Oh boy, this is gonna work. Alright. So here's my light source. So I got the light on. Let's see, is it 100? Yep, it's 100%. But now where can I put this light source? So I think I can put it like here. Right like that. I want it to record. Alright, so we'll see how this did. This is empty. There's like nothing in here. The filter is clear. I don't see any dust on it. But there's a lot of dust that's been collected in the can. So this thing is amazing. And this Neewer light actually helped me. So let's see, let's capture this on video. Alright, so this is the Oneida Systems Dust Deputy 2.5. Got it connected up to my Ridgid vacuum. I hooked my GoPro up with my articulating arm to capture inside the trash can using my Neewer light. And you can see there's nothing in this can, but yet there's a bunch of stuff in there. So that's amazing. Yep, super cool, Oneida. Yeah, so I'm always getting a little creative with doing stuff. So using this Neewer light in there really helped out. So I'll show you inside the vacuum. So you can see the filter is clean. And look, that's inside the vacuum. The little bit of chips there, I think, are from what was left in the filter, because I did not use a clean filter. I just bumped the filter several times to knock off the dust. Alright, now we want to see what's inside here. This lid comes off easily. And there you go. There's the There's the dust. So the vacuum was clean. Yeah, so this really worked out well. So yeah, thank you, Oneida, for sending this to me. This it's really really awesome. And here you go. Here is the dust that's inside the Oneida can, and there's the empty vacuum and the clean filter. So yeah, Oneida Dust Deputy 2.5. Wee. This is empty. There's like nothing in here. The filter is clear. I don't see any dust on it, but there's a lot of dust that's been collected in the can. So this thing is amazing. And this Neewer light actually helped me. So let's see. Let's capture this on video. All right, so this is the Oneida Systems Dust Deputy 2.5. Got it connected up to my Ridgid vacuum. I hooked my GoPro up with my articulating arm to capture inside the trash can using my Neewer light. And you can see there's nothing in this can, but yet there's a bunch of stuff in there. So that's amazing. Yep, super cool, Oneida. Yeah, so I'm always getting a little creative with doing stuff. So using this Neewer light in there really helped out. So I'll show you inside the vacuum.